Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll learn how to create a realistic paper burn effect in After Effects. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's create a new composition and name it Main Comp. Then, I set the frame rate to 30. Next, import an image of your choice and add it to the timeline. Let me adjust its size a bit. Then I pre-compose this layer and name it Image. Alright, now I import a burning video, which you can download from the link in the description below. Add it to the timeline. This is our paper burn video footage. Let's pre-compose this as well and name it Burning Video. After that, duplicate this layer. Now go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for an effect called Extract. Apply it to this layer and go to its settings. Change the box like this, so that the white part is removed from the video. Adjust the points to get smooth results. Then, select those layers and set the alpha inverted matte. Now, select the middle layer and change its blending mode to multiply. Make sure to turn on the middle layer as well. It's almost complete. Next, select the top layer and duplicate it. Then, go to the settings, reset the effect, and change the box like this. Also, change its blending mode to multiply. And that's how I create a realistic paper burn effect in After Effects.